Hey guys, it's MC Fix here. I'm going to show you how you can fix this plastic piece by getting a new one and putting your old one in. You can see this has broken here. You should not be able to see the metal of the key. And sometimes when you put it in and twist it, you can see just how movable this is. I'm trying not to move my left hand, but it's just broken. And we can use all of this and take out the chip inside and put it in a new one. I'll have a link below. This works for all different types of keys. Make sure to get the right amount of buttons for the correct one. You can type that in as well on Amazon and get the correct one. Doesn't take a whole lot of tools to do this as well. It's really just three pieces. You have the actual case, you have this little sleeve that goes over it, and then a longer screw. It does also come with a screwdriver, so we'll flip this over. There's only one screw on this Honda key. And this cover will come off just like that. And the key is just gonna like fall out of there on mine. You might have to wiggle it a little bit. And then here are your buttons. So we're gonna reuse this. And then inside here, we do have to pull this. I have a pick here. This is the chip. This chip does have to be reused. You obviously don't want to break this, but you do have to transfer this over. Right here's the flathead. Just bending that plastic out of the way so we can come in and get this part out. It is kind of glued into place, so it will take a little. There it goes right there. That right there is super important. If you forget to put that in, you are not going to have it work properly. So how to get this to transfer, you're going to need the old key, you're going to need the buttons, and then your little chip right here. You go ahead and take the new one, go ahead and grab your key and slide this piece on all the way down. Then you're going to take this, and you do have to slide this up and in. So I'll show you that again. It has like little grooves in it. You do have to slide that up into place. Go ahead and put your buttons and that in. So once you got to this part, you need to slide this up and on. It'll kind of click into place like so. You have that longer screw you need to put in. You could always put a little Loctite on this if it's something you would like to do. And that right there is your key fully replaced. We went from the broken one to a key that is able to be used. I'm going to go ahead and show you that it does work as well. So let's go ahead and test to see if it does work. And it did turn the car on. So the chip is working inside of it right there. If you do have any questions, go ahead and put them down in the comments section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. This is a nice little key replacement. I'll have a link down in the description.